All right, guys, we got something really special on this truck. It's a 1994 Chevy LT1 5.7 liter V8. It's still a work in progress on the outside, but we'll show you the motor bay and stuff. It's really nicely done. It's got wrap manifold headers, long tube headers there and there. Then he brought it in. He brought in his own high flow cats there, and the other one's right here. Then he brought his own cutouts, electric cutouts right there and right there, but he didn't want it too loud even with the cutouts, so he put the BORLA's bottle mufflers there and there and then we did custom dumps right there. Comes out of there into there, comes out of there to there. Then we did 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. He still didn't want it too loud, so we put some FLOWMASTER FX, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, or 2.5-inch in, 2.5-inch out. Sorry, guys. And then 2.5-inch tailpipes all the way back. We tried to convince him to put a 10-inch tip on it, but he wasn't having it. So, because that cutout would fit a perfect 10-inch tip. And I took a picture. I'll show it to you guys. I put it in the stories already. But there's two 5-inch dual tips on it by 18s right there and right there. So that's the complete system right there. What do you guys think? 10-inch tip or dual tip? 10-inch tip. I like the 10-inch tip. That looks awesome. Or dual tip. 10-inch tip. Dual tip. 10-inch tip. 10-inch tip. 10-inch tip. Dual tip. I like dual tip. 10-inch tip. But he liked dual tip, so we're gonna go with dual. Let's see what she sounds like. Much better. Woo! That sounds sick. I like it. There's sound decibels. Give it up a little bit. Right at 109. Not too much. Go ahead. He's still working on it. Everybody's got their projects, but that looks so clean. I love the tail lights on it. That's awesome. Yeah, he's got the NASCAR. Custom interior, custom everything. There she is. Give a guess? Let you guys hear on the inside. As you guys can see, it's all custom, inside and out. He did all the interior, steering wheel, gauges. But the best part is this. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. That is beautiful. And we made it more beautiful with the exhaust we did on it. Hope you guys agree. There it is. Because we didn't rev it that high. We only revved it a little bit. You like it? Yeah. And then you have to take it and run the electric. We don't do the electric.
Yeah, that's fine. You got the cables over here.
I put everything back in there. I told you go with the 5-inch tips, the 10-inch, but you don't listen to me.
Oh man, let's get that one.
The 10-inch look better.
That one looks perfect, man. I like it.
Chevy Silverado in the works. What do you guys think? Hopefully he'll get on it for us. We'll see what she sounds like. the one we did a full custom system on it. I like the tail lights on it too.